Hi there, welcome to this week's video. We are continuing with the cleaning up and painting. I'm not going to show you the painting because who wants to watch paint dry? Anyway, bought some new parts, bushes for suspension, etc. I'll show you pushing in the bushings. And then basically lots of cleaning up with wire brushes, etc. Rotary wire brushes in a cordless drill, that kind of thing. And then basically rubbing it down, using various different sanders, one of those needle type sanders, various different things like that. So lots of sanding, lots of prep, which is damn boring for videoing, so I haven't videoed any of it. I've got some epoxy paint. I'm going to paint the underside and the various parts that I've cleaned up, and I'll show you the end results. Thanks for joining me. This must be video number 35 on the rusty restoration. So yeah, good to see you back, and thanks for watching. Okay, so I had a little delivery from S&G Barrett. Hopefully these are all bits to help me put the rear suspension back together. That's a great big box, not much in it. Okay. We have two of the suspension mounting bushes. Yeah, I think they're called differential mounting bushes. There you go. These aren't the official Jaguar ones. These are alternatives, but they look just like the ones I've taken out. If you remember, those are the two that I had to cut off because I had to cut through the bolt because it was seized up. Also, I have Brembo disc pads. Brembo no longer make the rear discs, so these are you have no alternative. You have to get remanufactured parts, as it were. Not remanufactured. You have to get alternate parts. Monsters, aren't they? So they have the shoulder here, which acts as a drum for the rear drum brakes, for the handbrake in effect. Yeah, huge, great big things. Are they the right ones? They look massive. Oh yeah, they are. So drilled, vented. Yeah. Pair of those, that's all good. So that's going to get rid of those. The ones on there, the ones on the car have got some severe gouging in them. Also mentioned in the previous MOT. The other thing, bought some brake clips, or brake pipe clips. These little plastic things, they get a bit fragile with age and just disintegrate. So. Thought I'd replace a few of those. Some of those are broken already, so tiny little thing, but these are the things that you'll fail an MOT on unsupported brake pipes, so need those things as well. So that's it. That's the latest set of goodies. I do still have to do the front discs and pads, but I thought we'll leave it like that for now. We'll do that when we get round to the front end. Okay, so here's the setup we've got. We've got a big spacer, part of a kit that I've got here. This is the offending item we need to push out. I have a socket, a large socket that fits over there, just inside. So, and this tube fits over the outside but not on the inside, so I push one into the other. So it goes on there, that goes on there, just to line it up. Seems to be not quite in the centre of that pipe at the bottom. There you go. Right, so just apply pressure. Hasn't moved yet. Actually, it looks like we're slightly misaligned at the top here, so let's undo that and let's do it the other way. There we go. Coming out now. There you go. That's it pushed out. So we'll give this a clean up, then we'll push the new ones in. That's the old one. We'll see we cut into there, so the width isn't the right width anymore. So yeah. So clean them up, push the new ones in. That's that. Followed by that. Some a better chamfer on that end. So we'll do that way round. It was that. And that. Okay. Got all 4 bushes, well, the 2 new ones in. Just need to give this a really good clean up, get rid of all this flaky rust off of it, and give it a paint. Just in case you're interested, I bought this this set of all these bits of pipe, etc., different sizes, and those long threaded rods. You know, you can pull bushes in and out, you know, just using the threaded rods, but doesn't, you know, obviously if you've only got a small hole in the bush, you know, it can be quite a challenge to use those. And so as soon as I bought a hydraulic press, I don't use the threaded rods anymore, and unless you're stuck in the car still. Obviously if you're in the car you can't get the press in the car, so you can still use those, but effectively very useful with these different bits of different sizes of pipe. You can use it to, you know, push other bearings in and things. Okay, so I have been cleaning up and painting. So if you look under here, you can see there's a lot of shiny black paint around. I only covered the bits that needed, that were showing signs of rust, etc., that I cleaned back. I did spray paint this rather than using epoxy, but I'll probably go over it with epoxy. I just wanted to spray because the spray will go into the joins and seams and stuff. But so that's that, just cleaned up. There's various bits and pieces hanging up everywhere. Oh yeah, there's you can see there's 4 support struts, or whatever you want to call them, cross braces. There's 4 of those, they're all painted. This is the other side. Yeah, just basically went over some bits that had already been done, but yeah, that's just continuing. And then here's just a few more bits cleaned up and painted, some of which I'll do again once I lift it up and roll it over, but I wanted to do this side first, so then I'll roll it over, do the other side. I also put some paint on these 2 suspension dampers as well. Anything that looked a bit rusty, had a bit of flaky paint on it, rubbed it back and put some paint on it. Just a few more bits hanging around. Just get it all coated with some rust prevention of some kind, i.e. paint, and yeah, and get ready to assemble it. Okay, so that's about it for this video. Thanks for your time. Please press the like button or make a comment. It's always good to hear from you guys, so yeah, thanks for watching. Just in case you're interested, there still are 5 of the young swans that I filmed last year. They're not all around here this second because the father, the male swan, keeps chasing them off. Obviously it's getting up to breeding season again, and he doesn't want any other males around. Well, doesn't think he wants any of the offspring around. Obviously I can't tell you which duck was which, but yeah. Okay, the dog just decided he didn't want those ducks around. Anyway, just thought I'd keep you updated on the fact that they survived.